In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best plunge routers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the plunge routers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the plunge routers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Wood Router Plunge Base. This Wood Router Plunge Base is a versatile accessory for woodworking enthusiasts. With its aluminum router table insert plate designed for 65mm diameter motors, it offers stability and precision for a variety of engraving tasks. The plunge base feature allows for controlled depth adjustments, making it suitable for intricate designs and precise cuts. Whether you're crafting fine details or shaping wood surfaces, this router plunge base provides the necessary support and functionality to enhance your woodworking projects. Number 4, Bosch GOF 130 Woodworking Engraving Machine. The Bosch GOF 130 Woodworking Engraving Machine is a powerhouse for household woodworking tasks. Its multifunction capabilities include speed trimming, slotting, and milling, making it a versatile tool for various woodworking projects. The plunge router design ensures precise cutting depth adjustments, while the high-speed motor delivers efficient performance. Whether you're creating grooves, shaping edges, or engraving intricate designs, this machine offers reliability and precision to meet your woodworking needs. Number 3, Wood Router Plunge Base with Aluminum Insert Plate. This Wood Router Plunge Base is equipped with an aluminum router table insert plate, specifically designed for 65mm diameter motors. Ideal for woodworking enthusiasts, it offers stability and durability for a range of engraving tasks. The plunge base feature allows for precise depth adjustments, ensuring accurate cuts and detailed designs. Whether you're working on cabinetry, furniture, or decorative pieces, this router plunge base provides the necessary support and functionality to elevate your woodworking projects. Number 2, Power Electric Plunge Router for Wood Milling. The 1050W divided by 1500W divided by 2100W Power Electric Plunge Router is a robust tool for wood milling, engraving, slotting, trimming, and carving tasks. With its variable power options, it offers flexibility and efficiency for a variety of woodworking projects. The plunge router design allows for controlled depth adjustments, ensuring precision and accuracy in every cut. Whether you're shaping edges, creating grooves, or carving intricate patterns, this electric router provides the power and performance needed to tackle your carpentry projects with ease. Number 1, Compact Plunge Router Milling Trimming Machine Base. This compact plunge router milling trimming machine base is a versatile accessory for electric trimming machines. With its 65mm size, it provides a stable and secure platform for precise woodworking tasks. Whether you're shaping edges, trimming surfaces, or creating intricate designs, this base offers the support and stability needed for accurate results. Perfect for power tool enthusiasts, it enhances the functionality of electric trimmers, allowing for a wide range of carpentry applications.